very good morning to everyone. I'm very excited and of course with great enthusiasm to welcome everyone to our SME Capital Entrepreneurship Summit 2024.
Good morning, everybody, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the SME Capital and Entrepreneurship Summit 2024. Thank you, PIF Capital, Sands Capital, and all the other sponsors as well for putting together this event today. And today, we'd be talking about two broad topics. The first one, of course, is Hong Kong as a leading international finance center and what makes it compelling for all of you in the room.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to every one of you and welcome to the SME Capital Entrepreneurship Summit 2024. Here I am deeply honored to address you as the Managing Director of Sands Capital, a firm dedicated to navigating companies through the intricacies of initial public offerings, fundraising, and mergers and acquisitions. I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you PIF Capital for graciously allowing Sands Capital to co-organize this event. Collaboration is the cornerstone of progress, and we are thrilled to join forces with PIF Capital to create a platform for entrepreneurs, professionals, investors, and collaborators in the capital market.
So by meeting PIF, I was able to gain a lot of insights that it is possible for me to fast track the growth of my business.
Thank you PIF Capital and thank you Sands Capital for having us over here. My name is Jason. We intend to revolutionize digital marketing with AI.
We joined PIF back during COVID as a remote students, essentially. And one of the reasons why is that although we've got experience in scaling global businesses, understanding the capital markets and going to the next level and moving to IPO is a new item for us. And so we turned to PIF so that we would have the right people to help educate us on that journey to IPO.
So I'm Dr. Kalim. A very warm welcome to everyone. 早上好 Magandang umaga Vanakkam. Good morning. So a very warm welcome to our delegates and our guests from more than 10 countries, and there's a reason why we greeted in all the different languages.
Hey, come on, let's wave, yes!
Entrepreneurship is not an easy journey. I usually say what is easy is not worthwhile. What is worthwhile is definitely not easy. So for you to start a business with just a concept in mind, creating something from nothing, literally nothing, not even knowing what are the dangers that lurk ahead, but it is just your passion, your belief in itself, your conviction and commitment to make things happen no matter what comes ahead. And it is with this courage and blind faith, I would say, that you are already investing your time, including time with family, putting in not only your sweat and tears, but also blood at times. And that's the reason why Mr. Jonathan Paul co-founded PIF in the first place together with Dr. Grace. So to be the lighthouse for fellow business owners,